Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a cart progress bar on your Lumin theme. This is a great feature to encourage your customers to spend more by offering them rewards like free shipping or discounts. And the best part, Lumin Themes make it super easy to configure. Let's get started. First, go to your Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store, then click Themes, find your active Lumin theme and click Customize. Once you're in the theme editor, go to the bottom left and click Theme Settings, then click on Cart Progress Bar. Here, you'll see an option to enable the progress bar. Toggle it on. Step 2. Set up your goals. Enable Goal 1. Set the spending amount your customers need to reach. For example, $50 for free shipping. Customize the message that shows before the goal is reached. For example, you're only X away from free shipping. Remember, the X will automatically show the remaining amount your customer needs to spend. After that, set the post-goal message. This is what your customer will see once they've hit the goal. For example, congratulations, you've earned free shipping. If you want to, you can add a second and third goal by enabling them and following the same steps. These could be for bigger rewards, like discounts or free gifts. Step 3. Advanced Options. Now, if you want to get a little fancy, you can enable advanced settings. These include icons for each goal. To enable these, stay in the Cart Progress Bar settings and toggle on Show Progress Bar icons and use Item Subtotal for Progress Bar. You can now set icons for each goal. For example, you might use a shopping cart icon before the goal is reached and a checkmark after it's achieved. Add a description for each goal that will appear beneath the icon. For example, free shipping. Use goal as a placeholder to display the goal amount in the message. Before wrapping up, make sure the free shipping threshold you set here matches what you've configured in your Shopify shipping settings. If you're offering discounts, set them up in your Shopify dashboard so they work seamlessly with your progress bar. And that's it, you've now set up a cart progress bar on your Lumin theme. This will make your store more interactive and encourage customers to complete their purchase while taking advantage of your awesome offers.